Our primary goal is to maintain and keep the power to our citizens. We're prepared year-round. We live in Florida. Our field crews, our engineers, are constantly receiving training and preparing to be able to restore power at any time. My name is Tony Guillen. I'm the General Manager for the Electric and Gas Department for the City of Tallahassee. We prepare year-round for storms. There's several things that we've been doing on our system for the last several years to basically harden our system so that we can better withstand these bad weather events. Once we know that a hurricane could potentially be impacting our area, we start doing all our prep work, getting our equipment ready, employees ready, make sure that their homes are ready so that we're ready to go as soon as the conditions are safe and start restoring power. We also reach out to our mutual aid partners throughout the state and in the Southeast so we can bring in additional resources and have them here ready to respond, again, as soon as conditions are safe so we can get power restored as quickly and as safely as possible. One thing that we ask folks to do after a storm is if they come across a down line, assume that it's energized. There's no way for you to tell. Our linemen are highly trained and they approach it as if it's energized as well. We work round the clock once the storm hits to get power restored. Crews working all through the night to ensure that we're getting power restored as quickly and as safely as possible.